Tom Reuter here with Spray Foam Engineers. Just wanted to announce that we're doing a spray foam equipment training on July 12th at our office in Las Vegas, Nevada. If you stay at the Mandalay Bay or the Luxor, which is right next to the Raider Stadium, there'll be a 10-minute walk from our office where we're going to host the training. And so I'm standing right next to a Graco E30 Reactor 3 Pro model right here. This is a shore power rig that is going to, it's about to ship out right now. So it comes with 100 feet of 2.4 SO cord that you plug into the electric service panel where you're working. And so this rig is shipping in a few minutes. It's going to somewhere outside of Boston. And these guys are, they're looking forward to getting their rig in a couple days here. But so we're gonna actually demo a machine like this, or maybe even two machines like this, and go through the different options as far as like E20, E30, Standard, Pro, Elite, with or without E1 pumps. And if for anybody who's looking to learn more about equipment and maybe what options they might be interested in, and the differences between things like the internally or externally heated hose. And then outside of equipment, so we'll do a demonstration, at least one demonstration with a new rig, and we'll do startup and shutdown, taking apart the gun and putting it back together, and the types of issues you encounter when you're spraying foam. And then and we'll also go over job site pricing, and we will go over building science. So we'll do a blower door demonstration and an infrared thermography demonstration with an infrared camera. Customers always seem to like those. If you have one and you can identify problems in a building using an infrared camera, it's kind of a cool feature that, the technology that really shows through to the client as far as, how neat it is. So we'll do all that, go through using blower door and showing and learning about pressures on a manometer so that you can do building diagnostics. And yeah, so we're really excited to have this training on July 12th. And it's going to be $300. You can sign up at our website at sprayfoamengineers.com. I'm confident that anybody that signs up is going to get definitely $300 worth of value out of that. And like I said, stay at the Mandalay Bay. It's going to be on a Saturday morning, so if you are Saturday all day, but if you come to Las Vegas, spend the weekend, bring your wife or your girlfriend or guys you work with, and we'll have a great time. So go to Spray Foam Engineers and sign up, and we'll look forward to seeing you in Las Vegas. Thank you.